Hello guys, meron po akong real life story para malaman nyo kung gaano ka-importante kumuha ng comprehensive vehicle insurance. Last November 2021, pina-insure po ng client namin sa Iligan City yung Mitsubishi Pajero niya. Sa halagang 8,657.16, may CTPL coverage na po siya na 100,000, own damage coverage around 315,000, property damage coverage amounting to 100,000 pesos, at saka personal accident insurance para sa kanyang driver at 4 na pasahero. Unfortunately, last August 21, 2022, na-aksidente po siya sa Iligan City. Na total loss po yung vehicle niya, bumangga at nakadamage ng isang bus, at naka-injured ng 5 tao including po yung sarili niya na na-confine sa hospital for 3 days. Sa halagang 8,657.16 na premium, binayaran po siya worth 248,000 para sa kanyang total damage claim at na-refund po siya para sa mga in-advance niya na bayad na damage sa bus at medical expenses ng mga na-injured niya.
Hello, I'm Judith Blanco from Iligan City and I'm one of the insured of Perla Insurance Company. I would just like to thank them for their quick response on my car insurance claim. I highly recommend this insurance company not just of their quick response to my concerns but also to their friendly and accommodating personnel. Thank you so much.
Kaya ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Kumuha na kayo ng comprehensive vehicle insurance at dito na kayo sa Perla. Ingat po!
All is well.